Hello guys, in today's video I want to talk about how to unblock people on Facebook Messenger. So make sure you watch this video to the end, so that there are no misunderstandings. Before the tutorial continues, make sure your Messenger application is on the latest version. The first step, open the Messenger application on your cell phone. In this tutorial I'm using an Android phone, so for those of you iPhone users, it might be a little different. The next step, click on your profile photo in the upper left corner. In this section you can see a lot of settings that you can try, such as changing accounts, dark mode, and others. But to unblock someone, you just need to focus on privacy settings. In the privacy settings, click on Blocked Account. After that, select the username that you want to unblock. In this section, two options will appear. You can unblock Messenger or Facebook or even both. I really hope this video can help you. Write in the comments column if you have any questions.